Tired of project chaos and wondering how to keep your team on track? Clockify assignments are the answer. First, navigate to the Projects tab in your Clockify workspace. Select the project you want to manage. Now, either create a new task by clicking the Add Task button, or select an existing task you'd like to assign. Click on the task name to open its details. Here's where the magic happens. Find the assignee field, click the drop-down menu to see a list of your team members. Choose the team member best suited for this task. You can assign multiple team members if needed. Next, set a clear deadline. Locate the due date field and select the date this task needs to be completed by. This helps everyone stay on schedule. Finally, use the progress tracker to monitor how things are going. You can update it as the task moves from not started to in progress and finally completed. This gives you a bird's eye view of your project's status. And that's it. By effectively using assignments in Clockify, you can distribute workload evenly, ensure accountability, and track project progress with ease, leading to optimal project execution. Start assigning and watch your projects thrive.